Yo, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and watch this.
V. Luyo, mother of two, and she believes that dili man sa ingon nga kulang ko ug wala ka, pero mas kumplito lang yun ang akong kinabuhi kung mag-uban ta. Once again, our six runners-up is Mrs. Luz Bisminga B. Luyo. Fifth runner-up. Our fifth runner-up is Mrs. Adriana V. Naive. Adriana V. Naive is the only wife of Mr. Rogelio Naive, mother of 10. Char, huwag pati. She believes